HotJet. I want to show you our HotJet 2 business package. So it features our HotJet 2. Perfect for the plumber, perfect for the rooter guys. Just been a great machine. It's available in 2 outputs. 10 GPM at 4,000 PSI or 12 GPM at 4,000. Now it uses hot water. How do you wash your hands? How do you do your dishes, right? So if you're doing some commercial work, I think hot water's the best way to break the biofilm in the pipe, okay? I will say this is one of the best looking jetters still after a decade on the market. The other ones are like if you drink a little too much at the bar and it's coming up 2 o'clock, you better take 2 bags with you. In case the bag that's, you know, on your new friend falls off or if yours falls. Okay, I gotta get serious here. We do have fun out here. Everybody's welcome to class. I'd humbly say we've helped hundreds and hundreds of companies more than double their business, if not quadruple. So we appreciate that opportunity. We feel it's worth the time. We do have fun, but we do educate best we know how after our 100+ years of experience we've got around this place, around plumbing and jetting. So that's cool. A little pitch there for that. Pitch for our camera. This is the business pack. We helped design this new cable. Comes with 2 heads. I've only got 1 out here. On the recording on this will do backup recording. That head is self-leveling with lights. That's a good camera. Just by the way, it also comes with our remote satellite electric reel. So if you're doing a office building and they've got a cafeteria up on the 10th floor, obviously a regular jetter's not going to get there. You're going to want to use a spigot attachment, bring water to this, plug it in, then you can do the P-trap and whatnot with the 1/8" hose there. Okay, this package also comes with the Rycom locator. Comes with the remote reel with the foot pedal, and we're including the package this year the full hydraulic drive. We're on, you know, depending on availability, I kind of got to bite my tongue just a little bit. We're in the middle of 2020 COVID times. A little tough getting a few supplies like wheels. They might vary just a little bit, but we do have the alloys and the customs. The back end of this jetter is just built for the operator. The remote control's fabulous. Throttle, all your controls are right back here. We can do 1/2" hose in poly, but you can only get 300 feet and you're limited to heat because heat softens up that hose. We have done quite a few with 500 feet of 3/8 with the poly hose, and that's worked good, right, Chris? It pulls strong. This package comes with the full nozzle set, including the Warthog nozzle, and if you spend for the whole package, we'll throw in 2 cones. Kind of on one today. Well, this is going on a truck. Thanks for all the business over the years. We aim to please, and as usual, you know, I got to emphasize, we'll bend over backwards like that guy in that one ad, TV car sales guy, but no bending over forward around here. Take care.